Hello viewers and subscribers, I am Michael. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a very interesting video for you, so please stay tuned so you can learn more about the methods that persons have been using to restore the headlights. We're going to look and see what level of success can be achieved with these products, so stay tuned. I'm sure you have seen quite a bit of videos where persons have used toothpaste as a means of cleaning headlights, restoring headlights. And I'm sure you have also seen videos where persons have used baking soda. I am not here to tell you whether or not they work. My objective today is to help you determine just how effective the use of these non-automotive products are. So I'll be doing a demonstration using this headlight. I'm certain you have seen it before if you have watched my other videos. So I've taped off the headlights in two sections, and I'm going to do the demonstration using this section for the baking soda, and I'll be using the toothpaste on this section. So let's begin. I'm going to put some amount of toothpaste on this toothbrush, and then I'm going to apply it to the surface. And no, I'm not going to use the toothbrush to actually clean the headlight. I'm going to use a soft terry cloth to do the demonstration. So I'm applying the toothpaste to the headlight, and you can see the condition that the headlight was in before. And I'm just going to rub the surface as best as I can, and let's see. As you can see, the toothpaste did remove some amount of oxidation. Well, let's take a closer look. Now, would this be satisfactory to you? Did it do an impressive job in terms of removing the oxidation and restoring the clarity? So on this headlight, this is the result of using the toothpaste to remove the oxidation from the headlight. Next, I'm gonna be using the baking soda on this section, and we're gonna compare and see what the result is like. I'm gonna pour some of the baking soda into this container, and then I'm gonna add a little water and make some paste. Then I'm going to use this paste to remove whatever oxidation I can from the headlight. Now let's take a look and see the results, see if it is any better than what we achieved with the toothpaste. So there is still some oxidation, but this is vastly improved. There's a great improvement in terms of what the baking soda was able to achieve. So this is section toothpaste done by the toothpaste. This is the section done with the baking soda. The truth of the matter is, even though we're able to achieve some degree of success, the important factor in terms of how long will the restoration process last it will not last a very long time. So typically, non-automotive products, when they are used to restore headlights, last for just a couple weeks before the oxidation return. So if you are looking for long-lasting results, these are definitely not the type of solutions that you'll be looking for. However, if you want something that is quick, easy to do, cost effective, using products around the home, then definitely you could use the toothpaste and you could use the baking soda. I've seen where I've used WD-40 as well. Pretty much everything works in terms of removing oxidation. The issue is the longevity, the length of time for which the headlight will remain clear. As always, thank you for watching my video. Remember to